Hey guys, welcome back. This is how does Manychat work with FB Messenger. So guys, Manychat works with Facebook Messenger by allowing users to connect their Facebook page to Manychat. So you can build automations, and these automations will be mostly on a chat bot, so users can preview their chat bot on Facebook Messenger to test its functionality. So guys, pretty much it automates messaging to qualify leads, to have a book appointments, and send order updates and more. So pretty much it streamlines the process of interacting with people. And now you can also allow users to accept payments directly in the Facebook Messenger app for higher conversion rates. And it uses a triggers like new message sent to a page or chat open automate specific actions. And you can also broadcast messages. So users can broadcast messages to their opted in subscribers. So pretty much guys, ManyChat offers you an automated way or a chat bot that no coding is required. So ManyChat offers some templates on how the chat bot will work. So pretty much ManyChat will help your Facebook look more professional, where you can have a system in place, and once it is set up you can have more leads. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.